This small box, it can decide the life of your diesel engine. Today I'm holding the Delphi HDF571 diesel fuel filter. It looks simple, but here's the scary truth. If this filter gets clogged, dirty fuel goes straight to your injectors, and one injector failure can cost thousands. This filter protects the fuel pump, injectors, and the entire fuel system. It's used in many diesel vehicles like Fiat, Opel, Peugeot, Citroën, and similar models. Average lifetime? About 10,000 to 20,000 kilometers, depending on fuel quality. If your car has hard starting, power loss, or shaking, this might be the reason. And in a few seconds, I'll tell you the one mistake that kills diesel engines silently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Parts Detective family.